This is Fullersburg. On the border of Hinsdale and Oakbrook lies some of our community's oldest history, stretching back 10,000 years. From Potawatomi tribes hosting powwow celebrations to the first settlers building a grist mill more than 150 years ago, people have always worked hard to make this place a home.
Hi, my name is Don Fuller, and I'm proud to say my great-great-grandfather, Ben Fuller, was one of those people.
In 1834, Ben rode out here on horseback and brought his parents and 11 brothers and sisters with him.
The Fuller family and others transformed this tiny stop along a plank road from Chicago, now known as Ogden Avenue, to a welcoming refuge for travelers.
Building a hotel, a general store, and a tavern you may know and love.
Accepting people from all walks of life, the people of Fullersburg developed great relationships with native tribes living just up the road. They even gifted my great-grandfather, John, a pony for helping shoe their horses.
Fullersburg thrived for 20 more years until the arrival of the train shifted life south to the Hinsdale we know today. But gems of Fullersburg's rich history remain.
One of those gems is in need of your help. This is the Ben Fuller House, built more than 175 years ago in 1843. This treasure has suffered the scars of time.
An uprooting and years of rotting have left the building hurting.
We here at the Fullersburg Historic Foundation need your help to bring my great-great-grandfather's house back to life.
We see this house joining Fullersburg's historic buildings as a historical center, displaying the stories of Fullersburg's finest and preserving that sense of welcome this place was known for.
To restore Ben's house back to life, we are looking to raise $750,000, and we need your support to get there.
Join any of our upcoming programs, volunteer your time, or donate any amount in the links below.
With your help, we can make the Ben Fuller House a home.